Hi guys, I want to play around with Mentos and lemonade, or soda as some of you will call it. I want to be relatively scientific, so rather than just opening the packet and chucking it in the bottle, I'm going to make a little dropper or container that will fit in the top of the bottle, and I'll have a peg going through it that I can pull a piece of string, pull the peg out, and the Mentos will drop into the bottle. I've seen a video of somebody doing something similar, so I'll put a link to that. There's also some very good videos of people testing all sorts of different types of soda, so I'll put links to that as well in my video description, so feel free to have a look at them. I'm just going to use lemonade, as I call it, which will be in clear bottles, so we might even be able to see what goes on inside when it all foams up and shoots out. I'm going to try 3 different types of Mentos. These ones in the blue packet, I've got some in a green packet, and I've also got some different shaped ones, chewy ones I think they call them, but which I don't think will work anyway, but we'll try them all just to see what happens. So we'll have 3 bottles going. This is the plastic tubing I'm going to use. It's just ordinary PVC overflow pipe is what they usually call it. There you go, FlowPlast overflow waste pipe, 21.5 millimeters. And the reason I'm going to use it is it does fit straight in the top of the bottle. I may put a bit of sticky tape round it or something to hold it in place, mainly because I don't want it to shoot out up into the sky and come down and hit somebody if that should happen. So I'll probably tape it in place. So I'll make 3 of these because I'm going to use 3 different types of Mentos. You can saw this plastic pipe. Because I've actually got the right equipment anyway, I'm going to use this pipe cutter. I'll make them about the same length. The length shouldn't be important, as long as we can get, I think, 4 or 5 Mentos in there, above the hole that I'm going to drill in it for the peg to go through, then that should be fine. The normal Mentos should fit in there quite easily. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we ought to be able to get 5 in there quite easily. I might drill the hole just a little bit lower down to be safe. The other Mentos I've got are longer, so I might have to make the pipe a bit longer so they drop in. So just for demonstration purposes, we'll cut this one. All you do is you wind it round, tighten it up, wind it round, tighten it up. Usually use this for copper piping. Getting a bit carried away there. Went offline. Keep it neat. That's better. And then you use this bit to tidy it up on the inside so we haven't got any rough edges to catch the Mentos as they drop through, or to stop them dropping through. nice smooth edge on it. So that's 2. So I'll make the third one a little bit longer. So now we'll drill some holes in them. We don't want it to go too far into the bottle, so just the length of the neck, I would think. That should do. Small hole first, just to get the position. To stop the plastic flying off, I'm using ordinary cable ties that will just clip under the edge there, and then they're held in place with another cable tie, and they're strapped to the plastic with more cable ties. It's probably a bit over the top, but I thought I might as well give it a go. For the release mechanism, or the pegs, I'm just using bent paper clips, because that'll stop the Mentos dropping through. I'll tie a bit of string to it, and then we can just pull it out, and that should drop them in place.